Looking for a home that's big enough for your family and close enough to everything that matters? Yes, I have a perfect option for you, and that's TVS Verde Vista by TVS Emerald. Hello everyone and a very warm welcome to Housey. This is your host Jetal, and today we'll be doing the project overview of TVS Verde Vista by TVS Emerald located in Paddur, Chennai. So right now we are here on the actual land parcel of the project, so let me show you the surrounding of our project. Here's the main entrance from where you enter, and the land parcel starts from here itself, where the construction work is in progress and the marketing office is just on my right hand side over here. Now before starting the video, let me introduce you all with Housey. So Housey is nothing but India's first real estate platform that connects home buyer directly with developer, thereby giving you all the bottom rate guarantee. Unlike current listing platform where if you do a single inquiry, your contact number is shared with multiple brokers, resulting in too many phone calls. Well, you no need to worry now, because Housey is here who connects you directly with builders. Because in Housey, the listing is done by the builders and not the broker. So book your dream home directly with builders on Housey. Now in this video, we'll be discussing about project overview, location, amenities, about the configuration, booking process, launch discount offers, and many more. So stay tuned until the end to know each and every single detail of the project. Now let's discuss about the project overview via 3D model. TVS Verde Vista is spread across 4.79 acres with 3 elegant towers, rising from basement, ground plus 5 floors. Here you can choose between 2 BHK, 3 BHK and 4 BHK homes. So basically this is a low-rise apartment. So if you are a person who prefer low-rise apartment with low density, then this project suits you perfectly. Now let's discuss about the location part, and our project is located near Rajiv Gandhi Salai Road in Srinivasa Nagar in Paddur, Chennai. So let me show you the neighborhood of our project, where the main entrance is just behind me over here, and this road will connect you towards Rajiv Gandhi Salai Road. Now about the further connectivity part. Hindustan Institute of Technology is 1.6 kilometers away, Sipcot IT Park is 2.8 kilometers away, AGS Cinemas is 4.8 kilometers from our project. Now coming to the amenities part, and this project offers you luxurious world-class amenities like of swimming pool with deck, kids play area, trampoline, cricket pitch, basketball court, and many more community living amenities. If you're planning to buy a home in Chennai, then here's a strong recommendation from my end. Housey is here with its new series called Rights of Home Buyers. Many home buyers are not aware of what exactly their rights are. For example, if you buy a home by paying a token amount and later on you decide to cancel your booking, how much amount a builder can legally deduct? And even after a possession, there is any construction quality issue or else any leakage issue in your home, is builder liable for the same? So in this situation, what exactly your rights are? All this is explained in a very simple and easy manner in our videos. So before you buy a home, here's a strong recommendation from my end to watch this series once. The link for the series is mentioned in the I button and even in description link below. Now about the configuration part. So as mentioned, this project offers you 2 BHK, 3 BHK and 4 BHK homes, where 2 BHK starts from 952 square feet and goes up to 1121 square feet usable carpet area. 3 BHK homes start from 1354 square feet to 1622 square feet usable carpet area. And 4 BHK homes starting from 1999 square feet to 2474 square feet usable carpet area. This project offers you layout more spacious way as compared to other projects in same vicinity. Now about the booking process, and currently our project booking window is open now, so we are inviting all our interested clients to come and visit our site, where our sales team will explain the complete project detail via project 3D model, will share the payment and pricing scheme, and will show you the model apartment as well. And then if clients like the project, they can directly proceed for the booking. So everyone, this was the complete project overview of TVS Verde Vista by TVS Emerald located in Paddur, Chennai. If you're looking for more details of the project, click on the link below to download e-brochure and price sheet.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.